picked up this distributed by Contractors Hardware Corporation, LIC, New York. World's largest manufacturer of lever, screw, and hydraulic jacks. Simplex, Templeton, Kenley & Co., Chicago. Paid like $4.95 for this. I don't know if they still make these things anymore. Like, I don't even know if this is a sale. I seen somebody on the tool group had one of these in a box, a little tiny one. So I don't know if it's like, is it a machinist jack? Is it a toy? Is it a salesman sample? I don't know. Actually, I probably should have asked before I, what do you call it? Before I made this video. It's pretty cool. I couldn't resist. I seen it in there. I'm like, oh, that's a tool. See, it's got a little sticker right on that side. It's got some writing on this side right here, and it's got the words Simplex. If you can see the shadow, it's pretty cool. It's tiny. I like it. What the hell am I doing? No idea. Maybe I'll use it on my lathe. But yeah, that's my only tool haul for this week. There was nothing else interesting or even remotely exciting about the tools this week. It was all the same shit, old junk crap, you know, shit like this. I don't need. So I try to get like either something cool I like or something I need, which I always need more locking pliers, and I like C-clamps, especially nice ones. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have subscribed, you're freaking awesome. Thank you very much.